Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how we can use WP file system to read any files. So I will explain this with using a real world example. So often I have to display the list of states of United States, and that is pretty obvious that we cannot write each and every state in our loop. So what I will do, I will grab the list of states from the internet and save in a file, and then I will read that file using the file system, and then I will display on the site. So I'll keep adding the stuff in my custom plugin. So if you don't know how to create custom plugin, the link is coming into the I button. So what I did, I had downloaded this file called states.json, and this you can have easily on the internet. So all the states are listed already in this file. So what I did, I stored the JSON file in some folder. So in my case, I have added this into my plugins assets folder, states.json. Now I will read this content using WP file system. So for showing you how to do that, I will just display it in init function, but same thing you can use wherever you want as per your requirement. So first thing first we need to define a global called WP file system. Before this, let me open what is WP file system. So using this file system, you can manipulate files like read, write, etc. So this file system is in actually a WP admin side. So we have to add this file in here. We have to include once. This is a absolute path constant of root of the WordPress, and the rest of the thing is the location of that file. So now we have to just define this function over here. I mean call, not define. That function is defined into this file. So what this function does, this will initialize all the classes, methods, etc., which is necessary to run do a file system process. In our case, we will get the content from a file. So now it's time to read the file. So I will call states JSON because this is in the JSON format. So WP file system, and then there is a method called get contents, and in this we have to provide the absolute path of the states JSON, so which is this. So this is the constant for my plugin path, which is defined in this main file, my plugin path, like this. And then assets and states.json. Sorry, so JSON is not there. States.json. Now let's see what we get in this, and I will refresh this page. Nothing. Something is wrong. WP file system get content, maybe the correct. Oops, I am missing something. Okay, that is my plugin path constant is not correct. Now let's try to refresh, and yes, I am getting. And now this is the actual data from the file, which is in JSON format. I need this data into the array format, so I will convert this into an array, JSON decode. And now let's see. So as you can see, now it is converted to the array, and now you can use this array in your function or wherever you want, and I will provide the code snippet of this. So yeah, this is how we can use WP file system, and based on that we can read the files. Thanks for watching the video.